Welcome to 5 amazing herbs for youthful skin. Did you know that using these herbs is like having a natural anti-aging secret? It's like finding the fountain of youth in your backyard. Today, we're going to chat about something we all care about: keeping our skin looking young and glowing. I've got the inside scoop on 5 amazing herbs that can help you do just that. So grab a comfy seat and let's dive into the world of natural anti-aging secrets. First on our list is ginseng. Now, ginseng is like that super energetic friend who never seems to age. This root is packed with antioxidants, which are like little warriors that protect your skin from things that cause aging, like pollution and stress. Plus, ginseng helps boost collagen, which is what keeps our skin firm and smooth. You can find ginseng in creams and serums, or you can take it as a supplement. However you choose to use it, ginseng is definitely a go-to for youthful skin. Next up, we've got Gotu kola, which is often called the herb of longevity. Sounds fancy, right? But really, it's just a super cool herb that helps your skin stay healthy by improving blood flow. Better circulation means your skin gets more of the good stuff it needs to stay glowing. Gotu kola is also great for helping your skin produce more collagen, which keeps those fine lines and wrinkles at bay. You can find it in a lot of skincare products, so it's easy to add to your routine. Now let's talk about turmeric. You've probably heard of this one before. Maybe you've even cooked with it. Turmeric is that golden spice that can really brighten up your skin. It's packed with curcumin, which is an amazing anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. This means turmeric can help calm your skin, reduce dark spots, and keep it looking fresh and even-toned. You can mix it into face masks or add it to your diet. Either way, turmeric is a real skin saver. Moving on, we have ashwagandha. This herb is like your best friend who always knows how to calm you down. It's great for reducing stress, which is super important because stress can actually speed up aging. Ashwagandha helps lower those stress levels, and in turn, it keeps your skin looking young and healthy. Plus, it helps with skin elasticity, making your skin feel firmer and smoother. You can take ashwagandha as a supplement or find it in some skincare products. Either way, it's a fantastic addition to your routine. Last but not least, let's chat about rosemary. This herb smells amazing and it does wonders for your skin too. Rosemary is packed with antioxidants that protect your skin from all the environmental stuff that can age it, like sun exposure and pollution. Plus, it helps improve circulation, giving your skin a natural rosy glow. You can use rosemary in essential oils or find it in skincare products to help keep your skin looking fresh and youthful. And there you have it, the top 5 herbs that can help you keep your skin looking young and radiant. These herbs are easy to incorporate into your routine, and they can make a big difference in how your skin looks and feels. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and until next time, stay rooted in nature.